Hello angels, welcome back to another video. So in the last video I showed you guys how I made my cowboy Carter hat. So in this video I wanted to make my little corset top that would work perfectly for it. This outfit is given Renaissance, it's not given cowboy Carter, but it's too late. It's already June the 21st. I'm going to see Beyonce on the 27th. I have like a ton of things to do. So the rhinestone and the corset top is from Amazon. You're going to need your scissors, E6000 glue, B7000 glue. We're just going to be gluing on the rhinestone applique onto the little corset top. So I'm just cutting out the applique to see how it would look, how it fit. All of it is not going to fit on there, so I have to make sure that I cut it up properly so that everything fits and covers up. Yeah, it just looks so gorgeous when the sun hits. This is definitely giving Renaissance. Nothing about his cowboy Carter. I do have another corset top. Maybe I could bring that one just in case. I don't know. I'm only going to Texas for 2 days. I really don't want to be overpacking. I already have a suitcase and a carry-on bag. Like, that is just way too much stuff. But it is what it is. Can't really fix it, according to me. So when I started cutting up the rhinestone applique, I accidentally cut some beads, some pearls. Yeah, kind of messing this thing up. It's not messing it up. I don't know if I love it or if I don't like it. I haven't really decided yet. So this is the placement that I like. This is what I decided to go with. This looks pretty good. And I was thinking about just gluing on these on there as well. I don't know. So these are the two glues that I'm going to be using. I don't have enough of the E6000 glue, so I was like, let's just mix it with the B7000 glue. Basically just using two glue. This glue is so hard to pull out, and if you squeeze it too hard, then the little container is going to burst, and then it's going to start drying out. So that's why I'm just going in with two different type of glues so that I don't put pressure on one. After I glue down the back, I just press it down with my hand. Do the same thing over and over again. And I'm watching Bob's Burgers. That's why my eyes are like everywhere. I'm just giving you guys a closer look of how it's looking. And this glue right here. It hurt my hand as I was squeezing this. Insane. Really don't need that much pressure, but that's just how I am, honestly. And then I cut out these little fours. I thought it would be cute for the sleeves, but I really didn't have enough stuff to make it go all the way up the sleeve, so it's just going to have to do what I'm going to have to do. And this is a better angle so you guys can see exactly how I'm putting on there the glue. This little container right here, I probably just have like 2 more use out of it, because really, there's not a lot. Unfortunately, it's not a lot. And stuff is just falling. Going in very, very heavy with the glue. I was trying to cut out the mesh. I definitely need something to be able to cut out the mesh on these, because I accidentally cut some of the beads and some of the rhinestones, so that's why I wasn't able to completely just like get rid of the mesh. I thought that because it was a white corset and the rhinestone was white, everything would blend in with the mesh, but you can kind of see it, unfortunately. Unfortunately. Now this is going to be the last part. Going on there the bottom. My hands, I'm telling you, it is killing me as I'm squeezing this. Look at how serious my face is. And then I went in later on after I finished this and go in and make sure that everything's glued down. There's no space in between, and that everything looks pretty good. And that's pretty much it. We're going to let this dry. This was the perfect time to do this because the sun was coming out. And obviously we're in the summer, so it gets hot, like ridiculously hot. So after I glue this down, I just let it sit by my window in the sun. and it dried pretty quickly, so that was good. Now the little beads and pearls and rhinestone that I cut out. Seriously, I'm just watching Bob's Burger. Oh Lord. I have a gigantic pimple. Tomatoes. Finally got back. This is the last one that I have to do. Can't believe I did this like 6 days before the concert. Maybe that's why I hate it. The cowboy hat looks good. I definitely should have went with brown because I have some brown cowboy boots. But, you know, you live, you learn through your mistakes. Should have went with a brown corset top and then like a brown applique. That would have looked good. It would have looked gorgeous. It would have matched the boots, and then all I need is some jeans or a skirt. Do I even have time to redo this? I'm thinking as I'm doing the voiceover. Do I have enough time? Pressing down on everything so that nothing is out of place, and then just let it dry. You could just sew this down if you want, but I don't have all that time in the world. My face says it all. But this is just how it looks. It looks gorgeous in the sunlight. Absolutely stunning. Just let it dry. Try it on. Just throw it in a suitcase and call it a day. Next time I'll be more prepared for our next concert. The top dried perfectly. I thought there would be like a few little spots that needed a little bit more of some rhinestones, but I think it still looks good. It looks fine. This is definitely giving Renaissance. I just have the flash on my camera and just look at how everything is shining. I think these are the same pants that I wore for Beyonce's Renaissance, but it's just gonna have to work. The top, the hat, the boots, everything looks good together. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know why I didn't try on everything to see if it's gonna work or not. I already packed my suitcase, so we're gonna figure this out in Texas. But yeah, this is my outfit. Looks pretty good. I was gonna wear white pants, but not really a good idea. Bye.